On May 22, 2010, a hungry programmer in Florida bought 2 pizzas. That dinner is now worth over $700 million. His name was Laszlo. He posted on a tiny forum, "I'll pay 10,000 bitcoins to anyone who brings me 2 pizzas." Back then, Bitcoin was 4 months old and practically worthless. A student in England took the deal almost as a joke. He ordered the pizzas with a credit card for about $41. Laszlo sent the 10,000 coins, the first real-world Bitcoin purchase in history. Here is why it matters. Nothing backed those coins but math and a shared record thousands of computers agree on. Yet year after year, people kept trusting it more. Those pizzas reprice every day. At today's value, roughly $70,000 a slice. Laszlo says he'd do it again. Someone had to prove digital money could buy real things. That is the real lesson. New money only works when people understand it. So before you touch any of it, understand it first.